Guys, pakita ko sa iyo yung ginagawa nila na cabin. Ayan. Yan po yung ginagawa nilang cabin. Actually po yan for renovation. But they are removing all. So they're making new stand. So look at that. It's now a skeleton, no? So mga around before end of the month, papipinish na po siya. Yeah. Ganyan po ang paggawa ng porta-cabin yung ginagawang kwarto dito sa Saudi Arabia. So more steel, yeah. Then after that they are put it in the what is called this, like you know, they have like a silver foam, yeah, for the protection of hot and cold. So all the side, so that's why you can see that the space from the siding, they have a space. Then will be to insert of the foam with the like a silver color. Yeah. See, look at that. And here, see, look at the big, what is called this, that is for the electric power. Because here is no more the electric from the government. This is directly from the generator. Yeah, this is generator. See, moving generator with wheels. So any place you can use it. So that's why, see, look at the wire, very big wire. The cable, yeah. So look at that. See, they are tucked here. They are having a maintaining here. So kailangan talaga po ng itangki dyan, tabi niya. Kasi in the some emergency cases, they have a water will be to support. So sa mga tao, ay napakainit po talaga dito ngayon sa Saudi. So this moment from May, June, July, August and September, baba na po yung init niya. So pwede ka nga magprito ng itlog kahit walang walang apoy sa sobrang init. So okay guys, and I will be to update to you what is done and makita mo yung finished product niya. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.